Pre-trial diversions in Texas, a path to rehabilitation and second chances. When individuals find themselves entangled in the criminal justice system, the prospect of trial and subsequent sentencing can be daunting. However, the state of Texas offers an alternative avenue called pre-trial diversion, providing a way to address the underlying issues that led to the offense and potentially avoid the long-term consequences of a criminal record. In this article, we'll delve into the concept of pre-trial diversions in Texas, how they work, their benefits, and considerations for those seeking this alternative path. Understanding pre-trial diversions. Pre-trial diversion programs offer eligible individuals an opportunity to sidestep the traditional criminal trial process and avoid formal prosecution. Instead of going to court, participants in these programs agree to fulfill specific requirements set by the prosecution or the court. These requirements might include attending counseling, completing community service, participating in educational programs, or taking steps to make restitution to victims. Eligibility criteria. Eligibility for pre-trial diversion programs varies depending on factors such as the nature of the offense, the individual's criminal history, and their willingness to accept responsibility for their actions. While non-violent offenses and first-time offenders are often the primary focus, prosecutors and courts have the discretion to extend the offer to other cases where rehabilitation and prevention are deemed more appropriate than traditional prosecution. The process of pre-trial diversions. Application. When an individual is charged with an offense, their attorney can approach the prosecutor or the court with a request for pre-trial diversion. Assessment. The prosecutor reviews the case and considers factors such as the defendant's criminal history and the severity of the offense to determine if pre-trial diversion is a suitable option. Program requirements. If the defendant is accepted into the pre-trial diversion program, they must fulfill the specific requirements set by the prosecutor or the court. This could include drug testing, community service, counseling, or educational courses. Successful completion. Upon successful completion of the program requirements, the charges against the individual may be dismissed, and they can avoid the formal criminal conviction that would typically result from a trial. Benefits of pre-trial diversions. Second chance. Pre-trial diversion offers individuals a second chance to address their behavior and make positive changes without the life-altering consequences of a criminal record. Community contribution. Participating in community service or other requirements allows individuals to give back to their community, potentially repairing any harm caused by their actions. Reduced court load. By diverting non-violent offenders from the traditional trial process, pre-trial diversion programs alleviate the burden on the court system, freeing up resources for more serious cases. Rehabilitation focus. The emphasis is on addressing the underlying issues that led to the offense and working towards rehabilitation, rather than mere punishment. Considerations and recommendations. Consult an attorney. If you're facing criminal charges, consult with an experienced criminal defense attorney to understand if pre-trial diversion is a viable option for your case. Commitment to requirements. Successfully completing the program requirements is essential. Failure to do so might result in the reinstatement of charges. Personal growth. Use the opportunity to address any underlying factors that may have contributed to the offense. Participate fully in the recommended counseling or educational programs to facilitate personal growth and change. Conclusion. Pre-trial diversions in Texas offer a valuable alternative to traditional criminal trials for eligible individuals. By focusing on rehabilitation and personal growth, these programs aim to prevent future offenses and provide a second chance for those willing to take responsibility for their actions. If you're facing criminal charges, it's crucial to explore the possibility of pre-trial diversion with the guidance of an experienced attorney. With the potential to avoid a permanent criminal record, pre-trial diversion can be an invaluable opportunity for positive change and a fresh start.